The world feels like it's ground to a screeching halt, and the only sound is the constant click of COVID-19 numbers ticking up and up. It feels like it's only a matter of time before one of those ticks is someone we know. In times of crisis, community is so often our lifeboat, but even that's been denied to us. Theologian Tom Wright recently pointed to Psalm 88 as a self-isolating psalm because it expresses the deep sorrow of solitary lament. Lament comes from moments when life stops completely for us and we're left sitting in a puddle of pain. It's from that lonely suffering that the psalmist cries out to God, saying he's confined and cannot escape, and that his eyes are dim with grief. And although the psalmist hurts, he still comes to God with his pain. He cries out to God for help each day, despite feeling rejected. And he doesn't end the psalm on a cheerful or worshipful note. No, the last thing he says is, "You have taken from me friend and neighbor. Darkness is my closest friend." You see, lament is the language of people without hope. And Psalm 88 shows us that we can be completely honest with God in our feelings of hopelessness. Like the psalmist, we can express every emotion we feel, even if it feels like we're not trusting God. No feeling is off limits, and God hears us. Not only does He listen, but He grieves with us. He sits with us in our pain, and He mourns, even when it feels like He's not even there. Whatever range of emotions you're feeling today, trust God to listen. And may the God who holds the world in His hands give you His peace.